defending the first round. Mexico's turn to see if they can convert an opportunity. So they've not had a shot in 20 minutes. Well, Alisson not too concerned about that. Ronaldo, the Mexican potential keeper, they've got the belief that their side might score. They put the ball not close to the big fellow. He's hit it very long on the Choa. 42,000 here, roaring their teams on in the hope of getting into the last 8. That's when you really start to get a sniff of success at the World Cup finals. It might just be your year. Who knows? There could be a new name on the trophy. Could that maybe Mexico? Well, they've got an attack going here with Lozano, who continues to impress. Hopefully you get a shot in there. 2 new yellow shirts around. Well, it's tipped to the position. Into the last minute of the opening half, and unless there's an injury now, there will not be